Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working with a little bit of glitters. I have to color, guys. I'm so sorry. I tried to stay within the fall season, but it's just not really me. So we will be doing colors today. I've already done one eye. You guys know I've used my NYX eyeshadow base, or NYX. I'm not really sure what to call it. Anyway, I've used that as the base. And now we're gonna go in with like this little green color right here. And we're just going to apply that all to our lid. And we're just gonna get all up in that crease, honey. Honey. All right, let me set this down. Shit. And you just wanna make sure that you're blending this out. Today I wanted to do like a green blue with a little bit of sparkles in that thing. Not really sure how it's gonna come out. I'm hoping it comes out very well, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. All right, people, so now we're gonna go in with this dark green and that blue color, and we're just gonna tap and go in to the crease. As you guys can see, I've already done one color, or one side, I'm sorry. You just want to get all up into that crease. And just blend, mama, just blend. Blend, blend, blend. Y'all, I really did try to stay within the fall season, but you know, just not my zhuzh. I gotta have some color in my life. Okay, so this is it for that. And you just wanna blend kind of onto the outer lid as well. You guys know when I do my cut crease, I like a little bit of color outside of there. So yeah. Okay, peeps, so I've already cut my crease. Now we're going in with the Grafton Cosmetics the Grafton Cosmetics Holiday Palette. And we're gonna use this green color right there. And we're just going to apply it, or should we do the darker green? Let's do dark green first. Let's do that into that darker shade right there. So it's a nice little transition. It's not really harsh, you know. This is kind of giving me like peacock vibes. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like a peacock right now. So we're gonna use this darker color, and we're just going to apply that right here to the edges. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. This totally give me like a smoky eye effect with the green. Hopefully this comes out well, guys. I'm a little nervous. Okay, let me clean my brush, and then we're gonna go in with the lighter shade. This is very sexy. I've already done this eye, so let's go ahead and do this eye. I would say like right or left, but I don't know what's my right, your left. You know, whatever. So we just gonna apply that up in there. Ooh, it kind of makes me not even want to do no damn glitter, but bitch, I'm extra, so I can. You know how I do. Put that damn glitter in there. Oh my gosh, it's yep. Like a smoky olive effect. I mean, should I do the glitter or should I not? I'm like, I'm debating how. I mean, I just think the glitter would just set it off. Like, this is already cute, but I felt like the glitter would like just really, I don't know, y'all. I mean, to be extra or not to be extra, that is the question. I'm gonna be damn extra. Fuck it. Okay, we're gonna be extra and apply glitter into maybe like this little area right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, give me a second. I'll come back. I've already applied the glitter glue. We are now going to go in with a tad bit, if I can pick it up with my brush. I don't see with the can, bitch. There we go. Oh, glitter right here. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know, y'all. I mean, I kind of like it. Let me turn this down so y'all can see. Ooh. 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 I'm blinding bitches. Okay. This is very freaking festive, carnival-ish type shit. Okay. I kind of like it a teeny bit, a smidget. Yeah, I think this is gonna pop once I put my my lashes on. Ooh, 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 blinded. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, let me do the other eye of my lashes, and I'll come back and we'll debate on whether this was a good choice or not. Can y'all see? I always just do it like right here in this little area right here. I never go past that area. I don't know why. It's just my zhuzh. Okay, peeps. So this is the finished look. I'm going to go and do my hair as always, and then I'll come back and give you guys a full view. I think it turned out really, really good. I really like the shimmer. Yeah, let me know what y'all thinking. And don't forget to like and subscribe below, mama. Okay, people. So this is the finished look. You know, this robe got me feeling real rich right now. Okay, I'm sorry. But this is it. I hope that you guys can see the glitter. Hope that you guys like it. And you're digging it, mama. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Okay. You guys can see. Okay, so yeah, here is the glitter on my lids. I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can get a full little, you know, a full little show. So let me be quiet and let's go.